Even if you use strong cryptography and strong keys, how you use cryptography also matters. First, use the right cryptographic mechanism for the job. In particular, encryption should be used for secrecy, not for authentication. Rather, authentication should be done via a secure hash or digital signature algorithm, which does not hide information, but does provide tamper detection. Next, don't forget about export restrictions on strong cryptography. Meeting export requirements might require using short keys that weaken your security. However, in many cases, there is no key strength restriction on hashes or signatures, so this means that using them for integrity might provide much better security than encryption because you are legally permitted to use longer key lengths. Consider the assumptions you're making for security. It is dangerous to assume that you are secure simply because you're using a proprietary network protocol. Network protocols are fairly easy to hack. Here's an example of someone who hacked a proprietary car network protocol. They were able to forge messages on a controller area network CAN bus that let them send fake speed signals to the dashboard and in general raise a lot of havoc. Even if physical access to the network seems unlikely, firewalls often have problems as well. For example, the Davis-Besse nuclear power plant was attacked by the Slammer internet worm in 2003 because of an unauthorized connection that bypassed the firewall. This sort of thing happens all the time. You must assume that customers will leave the default configuration in place. Therefore, you should make sure that the system configuration out of the box is secure in its default state. Finally, make sure the system is usable. This can certainly be a tricky trade-off. So consider, people usually prefer weak passwords if they can get away with it. But if you make them enter extremely strong, very random passwords, probably they'll just write it down on a sticky note and put it on the equipment. If the bad guys can physically see the equipment, that's going to be a problem.